Say I'm getting owned by a microwave, everybody.
It's working now. It wasn't before. I feel very, very happy. But at the same time, as soon as I get, I think I'm going to have to hurt it a little bit. Not very hot in there. Very, very low temperature. It's like 15 minutes just to heat up anything. Bologna. Anything. You might as well use a blow dryer. Because that'll work faster. I wish I would have brought mine. No, I didn't. I'm slowly stepping away. Slowly. Very. It just yelled at me. I think it's very angry. The microwave is very angry. It yelled at me.
I think we better feed.
I'm hungry.
It's gonna blow up.
I'm not gonna blow up. It blows up. Are you kidding me?
How pissed are you right now?
Life is rainbows. And fucking microwave! That don't work. Mine's not hot. Yours not so cold.
Naturally.
Sorry. I'm done.
Thanks a bunch.
My cheese still hasn't melted. Really? 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 It has nothing to say. Nothing at all. Full zero. Like, fuck you. I'm not making shit. I think we've all learned an important lesson today. Don't trust microwaves! Thank you, and good night.